Unlock the potential of Costco's bulk buys by transforming them into profitable Amazon sales. The first crucial step in reselling Costco products on Amazon is smart product selection. Focus on items with strong brand recognition, high demand, and a good profit margin after accounting for all costs, including Amazon fees, shipping, and your time. Look for items that are consistently priced well at Costco and have a noticeable price difference when sold on Amazon, ideally with a healthy markup. Consider categories like home goods, kitchenware, electronics, accessories, and even certain health and beauty products. Once you've identified your winning product, it's time for listing optimization. This means creating a high-quality listing that attracts buyers. Start with a clear, keyword-rich title that includes the brand name, product type, and any key features. Use detailed and benefit-driven bullet points to highlight what makes your product stand out. Think about what a customer would want to know before making a purchase. High-resolution images are non-negotiable. Ensure they are well lit and showcase the product from multiple angles. Now, let's talk about Amazon's policies. It's vital to familiarize yourself with Amazon's Seller Central guidelines to avoid any issues. This includes understanding their rules on sourcing products, intellectual property rights, and prohibited items. Reselling branded items is generally acceptable, but always ensure you are not infringing on any trademarks. Accurate profit calculation is your final checkpoint. Factor in the cost of the product from Costco, Amazon referral fees, fulfillment fees if using FBA, shipping costs, and any other overhead. A clear understanding of your numbers will ensure a profitable reselling venture. By strategically choosing products, optimizing your Amazon listings, and diligently adhering to policies, you can successfully leverage Costco's bulk offerings for a thriving online business. Subscribe for more tips on your online selling journey.